Hi, in this video tutorial we're gonna go through Typology Generator. The Typology tools rework an object's mesh subdivision into procedurally generate patterns. So for the start, I'm gonna create a plane in my elevation viewboard. I'm just gonna change the parameters to maybe 100 by 200. I just need to check my units setup if it's metric. So it's 100 by 200, and the segments I'm gonna choose 10 by 20. Gonna turn off my grid. After that, I'm gonna convert it to editable poly, and I'm gonna choose my polygons. So if I go to modeling, generate topology, I have the topology dialog here. I have a few options like walls, tiles, hive, tiles. I have a few options. I think I'm gonna go through the skin ones. So as you can see, all my polygons turn into a skin mesh. I'm gonna choose all the polygons, and I'm gonna select insert just by polygon. I'm just gonna put maybe 0.5. Let's see. And I'm gonna press OK, and then I'm gonna move those polygons. Just a bit, just to give it a bit of thickness. Also, I'm gonna do a bevel one by polygon. I'm just gonna put maybe 1. This one I'm gonna just put maybe minus 0.3. Yeah, or minus 0.1. Yep. Happy with that. Yep. Other thing I wanna do is I'm gonna go to I'm gonna go to edit. There is the NURBS tool, which is gonna apply smoothing to my object. So I'm gonna press on it, and I'm just gonna do the iteration. Maybe let's go for 3. Hopefully it's not too much. I'm just gonna turn this one to default shading so you can see the result. I'm gonna get out of my selection. I can just go for one, or yeah, maybe I'll remove the names. I'll just go back to, I'll just go to borders. I'll select them all. No, sorry, I'll go to polygons. I'll select, I need to select the polygon, those ones. I'm just gonna go, I'll just delete them and just go select all the edges, sorry, so all the borders, and just maybe give them a bit of thickness. Yep, I think this is a like a nice way. It's a good way to for facades and fences, maybe. Uh, Also, I can do another one doing sort of same method, doing in a different way. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm just gonna get out of, gonna delete everything. I'm gonna also create a plane, same way, just a plane. Just gonna turn on the edges. Another way to do the use the typology generator is I'm just gonna go, I've already created a plane. I'm just gonna do a typology generator. I'm gonna choose the hive one. So I'm just gonna select my editable poly, and I'm just gonna put the hive one. Oh, okay, so I need to select one edge. I'll just put the hive. Yep, this way. So I'm just gonna select all the edges. I'm just gonna go down there and put create shape from selection. I'll just press OK, and I will just move my selection aside. I'll just put, just go back here. Just go to this one. I'll just put it enable in the renderer. Just give it some thickness, maybe 2. Or maybe I'll just make it rectangular and just put maybe 1, or maybe 0.5. Okay. Borders, just put insert, just add it by polygon, just maybe 0.6, maybe, or maybe 1, and or maybe it's nothing selected, that's why I'm just gonna put insert, oops, 0.6. Yep, and okay, I might add another one, just make it maybe 0.2, just a bit. I'm just gonna, yes, just gonna move it tiny bit. Yep. And I'm just gonna add a turbo smooth modifier. Just gonna turn off the edges, you can see, and just gonna get out of I think the iteration need to be like maybe 3. Yep. So this is the result. Yeah, this is pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching.